Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the best free WordPress themes of 2025. These themes are not only visually stunning but also packed with features that will make your website stand out. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out, these themes will blow your mind. Let's dive right in and explore what makes each of these themes unique and why they should be on your radar. First up, we have Astra. This theme is a favorite among many WordPress users. Astra is known for its speed and flexibility. It's designed to be lightweight, which means your website will load incredibly fast. It's perfect for any type of website, business blog, portfolio, you name it. The theme is highly versatile and can be customized to fit any niche. With its lightweight design, your site will load in a flash, making both users and search engines happy. This can significantly improve your SEO rankings. Plus, it's fully customizable with no coding skills required. You can use the drag and drop editor to create a unique look for your site. Next, let's talk about OceanWP. This theme is another powerhouse that offers a ton of options. OceanWP is incredibly versatile and comes with a variety of customization options. You can tweak almost every aspect of your site to match your vision. It's especially great for e-commerce sites, with built-in WooCommerce support. This makes setting up an online store a breeze. It's responsive, SEO-friendly, and comes with a bunch of free extensions to enhance your site. These features ensure that your site looks great on all devices and ranks well in search engines. And the best part? It's free. You get all these amazing features without spending a dime. Moving on, we've got Neve. This theme is known for its speed and performance. Neve is a super fast theme that's optimized for speed and performance. It's designed to load quickly, which is crucial for keeping visitors on your site. It's perfect for one-page websites and comes with pre-designed starter sites that you can import with a single click. This makes it easy to get your site up and running in no time. It's also AMP compatible, which means your site will load lightning fast on mobile devices. This is a huge plus in today's mobile-first world. Another fantastic option is Hestia. This theme is known for its modern and clean design. Hestia is a modern theme with a clean and elegant design. It's perfect for creating a professional-looking website. It's great for startups, small businesses, and personal blogs. The theme is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. It features a beautiful material design and is compatible with all major page builders. This gives you the flexibility to create a site that looks exactly how you want it. Plus, it's WooCommerce ready, so you can easily set up your online store. This makes it a great choice for anyone looking to sell products online. Last but not least, let's check out Zakra. This theme is incredibly versatile and comes with a ton of pre-made demo sites. Zakra is a versatile theme that comes with over 50 pre-made demo sites. This makes it easy to find a design that fits your needs. It's perfect for any type of website, from business to portfolio to e-commerce. The theme is designed to be flexible and adaptable. It's lightweight, responsive, and highly customizable. You can easily tweak the design to match your brand, and with its fast loading times, your visitors will have a smooth browsing experience. This is crucial for keeping visitors engaged and reducing bounce rates. So there you have it, folks. These are the best free WordPress themes of 2025. The best free WordPress themes of 2025. Each of these themes offers unique features and benefits that can help you create a stunning website. Whether you're building a blog, an online store, or a portfolio site, these themes have got you covered. They are all designed to be user-friendly and highly customizable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support helps us create more valuable videos for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy website building.